Here in this video, we will discuss about the environment of Unix process. First, we consider the main function of the program, the start of the main process, and its arguments are mentioned, and also what are the types of termination of the process, that also we are discussed. The types are considered normal termination and abnormal termination process. Next, we are discuss about exist functions of the programming, how the exist function works. Nothing but before completion, how we can clean a process completed and then proceed normal exit from the programs. Next, we are discuss about command line arguments. Nothing but with the command line we are pass the argument through the corresponding class name. Based on the arguments, those command lines are tried to execute it. Finally, we are coming to the environment list, which are all there in the environment that we are consider. Here in this slide, we are discuss about the main function. What are the contents are there in main function? Why it is required? In C program, the start of execution, that is start with a function called main. The prototype of main function that consider what are the return type of the main function. Here it is int. The function returns integer type. Then arguments about the corresponding main function are one is argc, nothing but number of command line arguments, how many we are consider in the command line arguments. That number represents in the form of integer values, and argv is an array of pointer to the argument, nothing but corresponding the whole number, how many arguments you want to hold in the array. That reference should be mentioned within this argv variable. For that we are using here star, that always reference to that locations. Then you want to try to execute the function start execution. Normally it appears how many elements are required and corresponding values are worded in the form of character type. That is, the main function is required return type and number of arguments, and the value nothing but the name of corresponding arguments are mentioned within this main functions. Here we are discussing about process terminations. In Unix there are 8 different ways for process to terminate. Before that we will discuss about different types of terminations. One is normal termination, occurs in 5 different ways, and second one abnormal termination occurs in 3 different ways. Termination means the process is supposed to complete, that should be indicated, that's called completion of that process in Unix environment. Return one is 5 different types. One is return from main, second one calling exist, third one calling exist or underscore exist, the fourth one return on last thread from its start routine. The next one, calling pthread exit from the last thread. Return from main. After execution start from the main. The completion of that process only after the main function supposed to return some value. Either return the value is, if it is int, then enter the value should be returned. If it is void, does not return anything else from the corresponding function. This is one type of termination process. The second one, calling exist. Exist also one of the function appeared in the program. This statement should be appeared in the anywhere else in the program that control automatically transfers nothing but the function of a corresponding process is stopped. Then calling the predefined exist system call -exist or uppercase ex lowercase xit, nothing but calling only one of this process, then automatically that terminates, the process termination is happened. Next one, return of the last thread from its starting routine, nothing but any of the initiation of execution of one process that called one more function, that one more thread process, second thread process is started. Like that you can call any number of thread or number of functions routines you can call one after the another. Then innermost supposed to execute first, then coming to the outermost. Like that the last thread, nothing but which one is the first called, that thread returns it returns, then only the execution of the process is completed. Nothing but when it started that and how many routines you can call. Finally the first routine is called that supposed to terminate, then only it is called the termination of the last thread. Then calling pthread exit from last thread. In between that you need to exist from the routine is required. In between nothing but the thread is executed. In between that you want to go for coming out of the process, then you can call pthread exist. Pthread exist, that's supposed to that indicate that you are supposed to completion of all the thread execution, and that indicate it this is the last thread for the execution. Next is abnormal termination occurs in three different ways. Nothing but you want to go for call receipt of the signals is appeared. In between that the control transfers, something is happened in the system that supposed to consider abnormal signals or abnormal termination. On the time process may not be completed, then it should not produce the results for the corresponding process. Response of that last thread to cancellation request, nothing but before the completion of all the threads execution you want to go for make the request to go for cancel the thread execution. Another one is calling abort function. Abort is a function that should be appeared in between that indicate that this is the end of the corresponding process. Like that we can call around 8 different types of process termination. Process terminations are happened in completion of the process. Here we will discuss about how the exist function terminate program normally. There were three different functions terminate the program normally. One is underscore exit in lowercase and underscore uppercase e and lowercase xit, which returns the kernel immediately, and exist, which perform certain cleanup processing and then return the kernel. One more is there exist function. Exist in status if the argument is integer type of argument in exist function. For example, we will consider uh, if you are discuss in this point, the most of a Unix command returns the status. If your shell script should return something, then write exist status from both normal exist and error exists. Here is the example, a rewrite of the bkedit script from the specific work. If script can make a backup copy, the editor is run and script returns the exist status from the VA editors. If something goes wrong with the copy, the script prints the error and returns the exist status 1. Exist status 1. And then like that we can consider the way of existing the program in different ways. One more is exist underscore exit int status, nothing but you are consider call the function underscore exit to terminate the program normally, and then this shows all the three ways that shows the clean up the process and return to the kernel back the executions. Here in this slide, the figure that shows summary of how a C program is started for execution and the various ways it can terminate. Process start execution from kernel, it called exec that should start the process. C startup the routine for execution and call the main function for execution. When the main function call is appeared, the control transfer to the main function, which can call other user functions are there, control transfer to the other user function. Before that, no functions are there to call for execution, then automatically main function terminates using underscore exit function is back. If it is any function call is appear, nothing but one more function is there, user functions are there in the process, then from the main the control transfer to the user functions. If it is user function executes normally, then once again call underscore exit or exit function to terminate the process. Otherwise it go to the exist function. In between that you want to go for quit out from the existing environment. For that directly you can call exist function in all three type of process. One is start up the routine, then also you want to quit immediately. Otherwise we can call the main function also not terminate. In between that you want to quit. For all three situations we called exist function automatically, that exists and function back to the normal process in the kernel. Before the completion of that, exist handlers are happened, nothing but the cleanup process supposed to complete once again back to the exist function. If it is exist handlers, how many are there, all are executed, then only it terminates. Finally, if you want to go for access the any input output functions are reading, or you want to go for access the input from the keyboard or from the file is started for execution, before completion it not terminates. For that you want to clean up the process of input information. Otherwise clean up the process of sending the output file to the output location, or output path should be set to display the informations. For that reason you want to go for cleanup process of input or the output is must before completion of exist function. In this completion process This is called user process. That's supposed to go for started from C program started and call main and call user function. It's for functions. In between you want to quit out, then it call the exist handler concepts. If it is any input outputs are there, clean up all the process. This all completed coming under user process. When it back to the kernel, automatically that terminates the normal process in this way. Here we are supposed to remember the points. When it executes started, then start up the routine execution. When main function started, start up the C program. Then user function started, that indicate that some other functions within the main that should be called. Okay, and like that it's supposed to process supposed to terminate user function, then back to the main, they return the value to the main. If main properly execute, that returns the value to the C startup the routines. Like that it is supposed to execute the things, and then cleanup process should be done properly, and then only it completes the execution process. For that we are using, in between that we want to quit, for that terminate anything else, for that we are using exit function. Here we discuss about command line arguments. When a program is executed, the process that does the execution can pass command line arguments to the new program. For example, in the below program, echo all command line arguments to standard output. For that we write a program that includes the main, that returns integer type, and it contains integer type value for accepting all the arguments that is from the command line. For that we are using looping structure. We are using argc the conditional structure, because how many integer arguments we are consider till the reading of accepting of all the arguments, the loop supposed to continue, and then call the first variable I is equal to 0 means argv 0 should be called, and then accept what type of input you are consider, that should be printed in the form of the value and also the number, and also the value is printed. And then go back to update the looping structure. Once again it accept the second argument, and then that value is print. Like that it's supposed to go for continue until the value is terminated. Here in this example, ECHOARG is the function like a program that supposed to accept command line argument argv1 test foo argv0. Okay, then start execution. It first print the corresponding file .eschorg as argv0. Then it takes the first argument argv1 as the arg1, and second argument as a test, and third argument as foo. Like that it accepts the 4 argument started from argv0 to argv3. Here argv0 always tells what type of file names is printed. Then it check I value is 0. There are 4 parameters. I value is 0, that prints the file name. If it is increment I value 1 is less than 4 condition exists, then it go to the print the value argv1, that is arg1 is the argument. Then increment the I value, I is 2, 2 is less than 4, then it go to for print statement argv2 is there, that print the second string variable test. Then increment I variable, then I is less than 3 less than 4, then it prints foo is the third variable for print the command line argument. Then increment I is 4, 4 is less than 4, condition false, it quit the loop in between that. Slide will discuss about environment list. Each program is passed the environment list is must. The environment list in an array of character pointers, with each pointer containing the address of a null terminated character C string, that is /0. The address of the array of the pointer is contained in a global variable en, vi or yn, n1. For that we can call external with the carry type of array, we can call en, vi or yn. Generally, any environment variable is of the form name is equal to value. Basically here we started with en, vi or yn. Environment pointer point to the environment list. Then in that first list environment variable appears home is equal to the path, nothing but /home, then write sub directory, and then finally write terminate C character /0 that indicate null character of C programming. Second variable is the path. Path is set with the bin directory and the user corresponding bin that also ended by the null character. Next one, we can start shell. In that shell also you can set bin with what type of shell is the bash shell or any other type of shell that's also terminated by null character. Next one, user is whoever the user is there, that user is supposed to go for mention name. Then log name is there, where all the user that's supposed to go appeared with the null character last. This is the way you want to go for environment list should be appear in this figure that shows the completion of the list that should be pointed by the pointer en, vi or yn.